Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by measuring audio delay with a 50 millisecond clap test and stopwatch. Record the delay once and then again after each change. Check your phone or PC Bluetooth version and supported codecs like aptX low latency. Confirm your headset supports the same low latency codec to ensure compatibility. Confirm there are no other active Bluetooth devices within 3 meters of your headset. Note baseline latency in milliseconds so you can compare improvements after applying fixes. Switch to a low latency codec like aptX low latency or AAC when available. Enable that codec in Android developer options or your PC Bluetooth adapter settings. Disable phone battery saver and background apps to reduce processing lag and CPU throttling during gameplay. Close streaming apps and pause transfers to free Bluetooth bandwidth for audio packets. Set Pubg audio to low processing or mono to reduce internal mixing delay. Restart the game after changing audio settings to apply the move within 1 to 2 meters of your device and away from Wi-Fi routers. Microwaves and crowded too. 4 GHz networks can add tens to hundreds of milliseconds of delay. Update headset firmware and PC or phone Bluetooth drivers to the latest versions to gain codec and stability fixes. Try disabling 4 GHz Wi-Fi temporarily or switching to 5 GHz for gaming. Use a wired connection or dedicated low latency USB dongle if delays persist and you need consistent sub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.